Hey guys, I'll be unboxing a toaster oven from Walmart. And unfortunately, the reason I have to do a voiceover is because the audio chipped out. Yes, so stay tuned. Have a good watch. Bye bye.
See me from me walking, little bit always off my pretty brown skin. Bling bling, pa me neck and my wrist. Cash and room, I call me Iris. You ain't never met a girl like this. You feel come closer. I'm dying to know. Are you at this party at all?
99, so? 1999. Nah, okay. I'll be back. So after girl, they chatter from mouth but up. It's something nice and whatever, but I don't know what happened. But yeah, me that say like bite up this, but after not with me, I said probably the shipping, like when it ship it break up and something. So good thing to do that. So yeah, and I make that course again. Maybe they say it's sitting bite up and full up here. Then white something there. Yeah, you know it's not miserable already. But yeah, there's something nice. Go and watch. Well, and again, the feet there, guys. Yeah, it's a bit of a size. Yeah, one of them sells Roosevelt and tray. So one baking and grill iron. It's a toaster oven, but I guess I can give them something if you don't have an oven or if you don't want to use the oven. But me never use it because me. They did not. Oh, that push your man. Me never use it because I try to cut down with the fried food because it always bump up my face. The fried food always bump up my face, so I try to cut out that and just try. If you want something like a burger or whatever, I have to bake it or whatever. I was gonna buy air fryer, but because I want to make pizza or heat up pizza, you know this. That's why I bought this instead of an air fryer. Yeah. Alright, let me show you inside. So I've been here, one side, over here, let's see. Over here, oops, you guys. And here the other gun again, but I was showing you the on button. It has low, dark. It has some function, but I can't see properly. But yeah, when you turn that switch, the bottom switch, you'll see the power button and it clicks, and you can set a timer. And the button at the top is for the different functions where you can boil, bake, and all different kind of stuff. Toast as well, yeah. What's this? But yeah, you can turn it on, turn it on. Don't feel no heat yet. Woo, it's hot. Oh my, it's hot already. Woo. Alright. I'll turn it off now. Ooh, that's nice.